So the semi-final matchups in the Jamaica Premier League have been decided. And believe it or not, it's literally too close to call. Anyone of Arnett Gardens, Cavalier, Mount Pleasant, or Harbour View can win the title. Question again, though, relating to the much talked about format of the Premier League. Number 1 ranked Arnett Gardens have been inactive for about 2 to 3 weeks, which could put them at a disadvantage, while the other qualifiers, Mount Pleasant and Harbour View, by virtue of playing 2 quarterfinals, they will be sharper and more match ready for the semifinals. Fortunately for Cavalier, they have been playing in the Link Cup, which kept them active. But generally, the principle is the number 1 and the number 2 ranked teams are supposed to get an advantage. But then the inactivity could be seen as a disadvantage. Anyway, inactivity also means rest. And Arnett Gardens is the most rested team right now. So who will it be? Will it be the Speeds Destroyers? Will it be the Stars of the East? Will it be Stush in the bush? Or will it be the Junglies?